guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. How are you? I am sitting here at a hospital wrapping up an appointment, and I had a few minutes, and it's just so beautiful. I said I would just do my live from out here right quick. How is it going? What's up? What's up? I'm here to, that's YouTube telling me I'm live. I already know I'm live, YouTube. Hey, let's start over. For those of you who do not know, I am Kimmi, your #1 notary educator. And hold on one second, let's see. Okay, I gotta come back to that. And I am a trainer, mentor, coach, all of it all rolled up into one, me and my team. Hey, Lori W. How are you? How was your weekend? So we help people to, let me see, everybody's trying to call me while I'm on my live. Never fails. We are on a mission to help people with their notary journeys, learn this business, and to learn to own something. That's my new thing, guys. My new thing is ownership. Not only teaching you how to do the business, which you must learn, you got to, no doubt about that. We've already talked about how to notarize like a pro, but I've really been talking about owning something. I did not realize, and I'm gonna keep saying this, that so many people have jobs that are based on the government. Okay? And these jobs have gone away, are going away, and we need to have ownership in something. So what better thing to own than your own business? Let's start there. That's how you make your money. Somebody can't just come in and say, you know what? I don't like you. You're a woman. You're this. You're a man. You're that. And just take your business from you. Hey, Rhonda. How are you? Relaxing, helping your parents, Lori. I know. Enjoy them while you can, girl. It's such a treat to help your parents. It is hard, but it's the most beautiful, rewarding thing you can do is to help your parents, for real. I know I did it. So, that being said, I am rolling out a new product, and I want to get your opinions on it. Okay, I'm really thinking about this, and because I've been having a lot of people say, well, you know what, Kimmi, I really want to be a part of your program. I can't afford the monthly program. I want to be a part of Notary Educators somehow. What can you do? What can you do? And I mentioned it maybe 3 or 4 months ago, but I did not roll it out then, but I'm really seriously considering it now, and I want to just get your opinion. So as you know, we do help notaries nationwide. You do not have to live in Georgia. Our mentorship consists of weekly live workshops / coaching every week. We do it 52 weeks a year. Holiday, no holiday, no matter what happened. We have been doing it for 3 years now. Almost the coaching. Rhonda says she's been studying for her exam. What state are you in, Rhonda? What state? And Rhonda says, Lori W., she took care of both of her parents too. Yeah. Yep. It comes this time when that's what we have to do. And again, for me, it was such a blessing to be able to do so. Oh, Louisiana. Yeah, I know Louisiana and New York are my 2 toughest states to become a notary. The 2 toughest are Louisiana and New York. So once you get everything straight, if you need some help, check us out. It would be our pleasure. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. So what I'm thinking about offering is a $17 community access. And what that looks like is you will get some templates. You will be able to watch all the past replays. You will be able to, hey CC, how are you? You will be Rhonda says, yes, Lord, yeah. New York and California and Louisiana are the toughest states. Toughest states to become a notary. Everybody else, no excuses. Hey Lisa, how are you? So I'm thinking about rolling out, and I want your comments. You can tell me in the chat, okay? But I'm thinking about rolling out a $17, 17 community access. So what that looks like is you can come to the weekly sessions, okay? And this is going to be for notaries that may already know how to notarize, or you just want to get your feet wet before you commit to the $47 program or $27 program. And you just really want to be a part of a community to help you. I find that people are a part of a community, that's when you're going to really blossom. You could try to do this thing on your own, but when you get a part of a community, a great community, and everyone else is doing things and they love each other and they're helping each other, it's amazing. And our community is doing some amazing things. I have Jeff right now working on the video. For those of you who don't know, he's my husband. He's a notary also, but he's also our videographer, editor at large. And I have him working on some of our wins. And the whole month of October, at least that very first week, we're going to focus on all of our wins, because sometimes I don't think we know how far we've come. Sometimes I don't think we know. I mean, I'm sitting here and I feel like a proud mama bear. I'm like, look at this person. Time out, they got so many field inspections that they leaving them on the table. I'm like, get it, girl. Where you went from, I'm scared, and now you're doing loan refis. And I mean, our guys are just doing amazing and just sharing gems. So the meetings themselves are worth way more. But again, I'm just trying to help people. If that's something you're interested in, again, a $17 price point, it allows you access to the weekly sessions. And then some templates, you get some templates, you get some tip sheets, okay, some general notary sample documents. And then, like I said, people who are a little afraid because they've already spent so much money, let me see, is this something I really want to do? Let me see if it's something I want to do. You can watch some of the replays. Earlier I said all of them, but it won't be all of them, because some of them you just won't be ready for. And that's just facts. So it'll be 3 entry points into the program. It will either be just the community part, which again is worth its weight in gold, and that's when we meet weekly. That does not give you access to the private chat. That's for the all-inclusive plan. Or you have the $27 plan, where you get your major core basic foundation courses, okay? Or you have the option for all in. That's everything. All the whole kit and caboodle. 16 courses, all the replays, the private chat that runs 7 days a week. And again, that may be for my people who really are ready to do the whole darn thing. And like I said, I got a few people that's like, Kimmy, I really want to be a part of it, but what can I do? And I wasn't going to offer some little junk, $5 or $6 thing, because I know I can't add value to your life for $5. I don't see it. If I saw how I could do it, I would, like a more up close and personal kind of thing. I don't see how it's going to benefit me or you, because I don't see how I could do it. I don't. Now, the other thing was the subscription on the YouTube channel. That doesn't come with any live access. So I put that out and I took it down because I just didn't like it. I didn't like it for then. I got to revamp that program. But I'm really thinking about, like I said, for my people who got their commission, still stuck, just need a little rah-rah, need somebody to help them. You don't know how many people I talk to, they have their commission. Somebody right now, they joined mentorship. And it's okay if they're watching. I mean, it is what it is. But they joined mentorship. They might have stayed a month, never came to any of the live sessions, never took advantage of any of the benefits. And now I'm getting an email from them that I still don't even understand how to do a loan modification. Well, I'm going to respond. But I can't help you. You have to want to help yourself. You have to. I always say I cannot just put a little hole in your head and stick all the notary information up in there. The people that are winning are actually taking their time. They're watching the courses. They're doing what I tell them to do. What I know is best practice, because that's what I do is best practice. And I always tell people, this is your business. You get to run it how you want to. That's the best part about being a business owner.